Hello everyone, welcome back to PyTechie. In today's video, we are going to explore LangChain Middleware and understand how it helps you gain fine-grained control over your AI agent. We will cover what middleware is, why it is important, the different type of middleware available in LangChain, and how to build your own custom middleware using hooks. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how middleware can make your AI application more reliable, secure, and production ready. So let's get started. So what is middleware? Middleware provide a way to more tightly control what happens inside a agent during its execution. Think of middleware as a layer that sits between the agent and its operation, allow you to monitor, modify, validate, or control different part of the execution flow. Middleware is useful for tracking agent behavior with logging, analytics, and debugging, transforming prompts, tool selection, and output formatting, adding retries, callback, and early termination logic, applying rate limits, guardrail, and PIR detections. In short, middleware gives developer additional control over how agents behave. Before we dive deeper into middleware, let's first understand how a typically LangChain agent work. At its core, the agent flows a simple execution loop. First, a user send a request. Second, the model process the request. Then, the model decide whether it need to use any tools. If required, the tool is executed. The tool return the observations back to the model continue reasoning, and then finally, the agent produce a result. Without middleware, this process happen automatically behind the scene. Then where is a middleware fit? Middleware expose hooks before and after different stages of the agent execution process. Instead of directly moving from request to model to tool and then to the result, middleware allow us to intercept these stages. For example, before the agent start, before sending a request to the model, around the model execution, around tool execution, around receive a model response, after the entire agent completes. This gives us the ability to customize and control the complete life cycle of AI agent. LangChain provides two category of middleware: pre-built middleware, custom middleware. Let's look at each one. LangChain and Deep Agent provide server production-ready middleware component for common use cases. These middleware components are configurable and can be added directly to your application. For example, summarization middleware. As the conversation become longer, they consume more token and can eventually exceed the model context window. Summarization middleware automatically summarize older conversation history while preserving the important context. So there are different and multiple pre-built middlewares are there. So you can use as per your use case. Now custom middleware. While pre-built middleware solve many common problems, there are situations where you need custom behavior. In such case, LangChain allow you to build your own middleware using hooks. Hooks are functions that run at a specific point during the agent execution lifecycle. LangChain support two types of hooks: node style hooks, wrap style hooks. I have provided a documentation link in below description. You can read it out. Now let's quickly see how we can build a middleware using pre-built and custom middleware. First, we will input all the necessary packages here. After importing all the successfully packages, we can load our env file using load underscore dot env to load the API key here. We will first create a pre-built middleware here. So we will first create a tool here. Let's first see how we can create an agent. So inside agent, we'll create an agent. Inside agent, we need a model, we need tool, we need a middleware. So tool, we have defined here simple tool which return the current year of the current year based on the query. And then we have a middleware. Middleware will summarize the content. Here I have given this summarization prompt here. So summarization middleware will summarize the content if it's exist 50 token size, and it will be keep only 10 more recent token there. So if your query it's exceeded more than 50, or the conversation is exit more than 50 token, then it will be trigger the summarization middleware, which automatically summarize your content based on the system prompt. Now let's see how we can do it. In invoke, I ask the question, what year is it? And then it will be go to the summarization, first check whether is the exiting the token size. If not, then it will be go to the tool and then call the tool and get the response, and then finally it will return the response. The current year is 2026. So you can try out. You can exceed more number of token. I have given a 50 token size. You can give more, 5,000, something like 3,000, whatever you want to go. You can do here based on the context window. Now let's build a custom middleware. So build a custom middleware agent, we will need model. You can give whatever model you want to give. You can, as per the use case, you can give it here. And the middleware, I have here defined two middleware: log before model and retry model. Log before model, first it will be called the log before model, and it will be retry model. It will try 3 times. If it is not found something, it will be written exception, and then again it will go to before model and retry that. So it's the continuous loop is going on. And the here we are calling the tool is get weather. So let's see what is the weather in Tokyo, I ask, and then it will be go and check the about the model call in message one. You can see this is we have created here. So it's called first time, second time, and third time. After that, we'll get the response. The weather in Tokyo is sunny. That's why. So this is how we can create a simple agent using middleware. In this video, we learn what LangChain middleware is and why it is important. We explore the agent execution lifecycle, understand where the middleware fit in, look at the pre-built middleware such as summarization, and finally learn how to build a custom middleware using node style and wrap style hooks. Middleware give you complete control over your agent's behavior and is the essential component when building a scalable and production-ready AI application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to PyTechie for more AI and LangChain tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next tutorial.